I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, operations involving large numbers. In our previous class, we have learned about the 4 fundamental operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division involving numbers having up to 7 digits. We shall now extend this to large numbers having more than 7 digits. In this book, unless otherwise told, we shall use the Indian place value chart system, okay? Addition. I know you know that how to add, but let's read this out. We already know how to add numbers up to 1 lakh. Addition of larger number is quite similar. We follow the following procedure. Number 1, we arrange the number in columns, then add the digits in each column starting with ones. Take the carry over, if any, to the next column and add it with the digits in that column. Continue this till the last column. Okay. So, example 1, what we have to do is first we will arrange these numbers in columns and then we will add column wise. Okay, first we'll start with ones, then we'll add tens, then hundreds and so on. Okay, and if there is any carry, then carry over. Okay. Example 2, in example 2 you have to add. So, first same procedure, arrange the columns and then add. Example 3, a survey shows that the population of 3 states are population of first state, population of second state and population of third state. So, what is the total population of the 3 states? What will you do? We will add the population of these 3 states. Okay. We will write first population of first state, then population of second state, population of third state and then we will arrange in the columns and then add. Okay. Exercise 4.1, we have to add. See, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 2, 16, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 1 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15, 1 carry. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17. Okay. Subtraction. So, to subtract numbers, we follow the procedure given below. Number 1, we arrange the numbers column wise. Then we start subtraction column wise, starting with ones. Then we borrow wherever necessary from the left side of the place. Okay. So, example 1 is we have to subtract this number from this number. So, what will you do? First, you will arrange the numbers in column wise and then we'll start subtracting the numbers starting from the ones. Okay, and if there is necessary, we will borrow also from the left side digit. Okay. Exercise 4.2, you have to subtract. Okay. So, what will you do? 8, 3, 7, 4, 8, 3, 1, 7. Then 9, 8, 4, 2, 9, 8, 9. You cannot subtract 9 from 7, so borrow from here. Now, 17 minus 9 is 8. You cannot subtract 8 from 0, borrow from here. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, again borrow from here. 12 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, you cannot subtract 8 from 7, so borrow from here. 17 minus 8 is 9. Then borrow from here. 12 minus 9 is 3 and then 7. So, this is the answer. Okay students, now you will do practice of the remaining questions. Okay. Multiplication. In our previous classes, we have learned the multiplication of a number by 2 or 3 digit numbers. In this section, we shall learn more about multiplication. Let us consider the following examples. See, 4 digit number and this is also 4 digit number. So, one by one you will multiply. First you will multiply by 5, then you will multiply by 40. Why 40? Because 4 is at 10th place. Then you will multiply by 300 because 3 is at 100th place. Then you will multiply by 2000 because 2 is at 1000th place. And after multiplying, you will add all the products. Okay, in this way you will find out the answer, right? Example 2, multiply 682 by 13,000. Okay, so what will you do? 682 into 13 into 1000. Okay, first you will multiply these two numbers. So you will get from here 88,866 into 1000. Now it is easier to multiply. You will write this number as it is and put 3 zeros to the right side of this number. Okay. Let us recall the various properties of multiplication we have learned in lower classes. Number 1, order property. The product of two numbers doesn't change if the order of the numbers multiplied is changed. For example, 7 into 8 is 56 and 8 into 7 is also 56. Okay. Number 2 is grouping property. The product of three numbers doesn't change if the grouping of the numbers is changed. Okay. See, 5 into 8 into 7 is equals to 280. And if you change the grouping, that is 5 into 8 into 7 is equals to 280. Okay. Number 3, multiplicative property of 1. The product of 1 and any number is a number itself. Means if you multiply any number by 1, the product remains the number itself. Okay. And number 4, multiplicative property of 0. The product of 0 and any number is 0. No matter how big a number is, if you multiply any number by 0, you will get the answer, that is the product 0. Okay. 5, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. 16 into 18 plus 17 is equals to 16 into 18 plus 16 into 17. Okay. 6, multiplication of a number by 10 and its multiples. To multiply any number by 10, put a 0 on the right of the number. To multiply a number by 100, put 2 zeros. To multiply any number by 1000, put 3 zeros and so on. Okay. Let's check example number 3. A box contains 2780 pencils. How many pencils are there in 162 such boxes? So first you will write number of pencils in a box, then number of pencils in 162 boxes. You will multiply these two numbers, and in this way you will get the answer how many pencils are there in 162 boxes. Okay. Exercise 4.3, you have to find the product of the following numbers. Okay. Let's do it. 7, 3, 2, 4, and you have to multiply this by 92. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 7s are 14. Okay, now you have to multiply by 90. So you will put here 1 0 and then multiply by 9. 9 4s are 36, 3 carry. 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21, 2 carry. 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29, 2 carry. 9 7s are 63 plus 2 65. Now add the product. 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 and 6. So this is the product. Okay. Now division. In class 4, we have learned the following facts about division. Number 1, division is repeated at subtraction. Example, 91 divided by 9 is equals to 10, and there is remainder 1. It means 9 is subtracted from 91 10 at times and 1 is left as a remainder. 2, division is the inverse of multiplication. For example, 16 into 8 is equals to 128. But if we divide 128 by 16, we get 8, and if we divide 128 by 8, we get 16. Okay. Number 3, the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder are related with each other by the following relationship. Okay, this is the relationship. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Number 4, when we divide a number by 10 and its multiples, we get the number formed by as many digits from the right of the dividend as there are zeros in the division as a remainder, and the number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend as quotient. For example, 28,356 divided by 10. Okay, how many zeros are there? There is only 1 zero. That means one digit from the right side is the remainder and remaining digits are quotient. Okay, and if a number is divided by 100, 8,935 divided by 100, then 2 zeros means 2 digits from right sides will form the remainder and remaining digits are quotient. Okay. Number 5, when we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, if we divide 18 by 1, the quotient is the number itself, that is 18 only. Okay. Number 6, when we divide a number by the number itself except 0, we get the quotient as 1. Means if same number is divided by same number, we get 1 as quotient. Number 7, division by 0 is not possible, since in this process of division, the dividend and remainder are always equal and quotient can be 0 to any number. Okay, and 0 divided by any number is 0. If we divide 0 by any number, we will get a 0 only. Okay. The following examples will illustrate the procedure of division. Example 1, we have to divide this number by 48. So what will we do? Step 1, since divisor has 2 digits, take first 2 digits from the left. 48 goes once in 62, write 1 in quotient and 48 below 62. Step 2, 62 minus 48 is equals to 40. Now bring down 8 from here. 48 goes in 148 3 times, write 3 in quotient place and subtract 144 from 148. We will get a 4. Step 3, bring down 9. Okay. 48 goes once in 49, write 1 in quotient place and get 49 minus 48 is equals to 1. Then bring down 3, we get 13. 48 doesn't go in 13 because 13 is less than 48. So put 0 in quotients place and bring down 6. Okay. And 48 into 2 is equals to 96 and 136 minus 96 is 40. So 40 is the remainder and quotient is what? This is quotient. Okay. Similarly, you will divide this number also. Okay. Exercise 4.4, divide and find the quotient and remainder. Check your answer using the ratio and dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, students, in this question what you have to do? You have to do the division. You will divide this number by 32,456. You will divide this number by 87. First you will take 2 digits, but 32 is less than 87, so you will take 3 digits. Okay. So after finding quotient and remainder, what will you do? You have to check your answer. And how you going to check your answer? This is the relationship. Dividend. Dividend should be equal to divisor into quotient and then plus a remainder. Okay, students. Now you will do practice of the remaining questions.